Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to get Calendar Browser for SharePoint working inside Teams. It takes a few steps. First of all, you need to go into your Teams and find your Files tab here, which I've already done. And then here, you can open that in SharePoint because we need to create a SharePoint page. And that we do, of course, in SharePoint. So you open that in SharePoint. And then you go to Pages, create a new page. Site page is what we want. And once we have that, we try to remove as much of the default stuff as possible because we just want Calendar Browser to be visible there, really. So once it's ready for editing, we can disable the comments, take away the banner up here, just remove that whole banner. We don't want that section either. Then we add a one column here. And then we add a web part here. And the easiest way to do that is to simply click on See All Web Parts and then search for Calendar Browser. And then you insert that there. And then you simply publish the page. And of course, we do need a title first. So I'm just going to call that CB. Save and close. And let's make sure it's published also. And there you see, now I have Calendar Browser working in that page. So now it's published and all of it's working. So now I can just copy a link to this page because now I need to get that page into Teams. Yes, now it's been copied. Good. So now let's head back into Teams and then we simply add a new tab here. Find SharePoint. And here we have SharePoint pages immediately. So then you simply paste in that URL that you just copied, or you selected, of course, the CB one that I just created less than a minute ago. That's the one. So now we add that. And there now you see that the Calendar Browser page is indeed loading inside of Teams. And here, of course, you can do all the interactions that you normally would, and you can create new appointments and all those things. And if you go into Teams in the web browser here, you'll see that if you go to the general tab of the CB Demo 4 team chat here, then you will see CB working there also. So it works both in the client version of Teams and also in the web version of Teams. That concludes the demo on how to use Calendar Browser for SharePoint inside of Teams. Thank you for watching this demonstration.